A one car review from the brand Xcartoys in a 1/64 scale custom Toyota Crown Gen 7. Do I have another one? Yes, I do. I think this is the same. Let's take it out, place it right here, and unbox this one first. I'm a big fan of the brand, Diecast brand Xcartoys. They have a lot of cool models and their quality is very, very good. They also cooperate with Pop Race. Maybe it's the same company, that's possible. Maybe they help each other because of licensing, etc. Oh wow, this one is also curtains. You don't see that on the package. No, 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 no. Oh, it is so cool. It's basically the same one as the black one, but then in gray. And I love it that it comes with these curtains. Don't ask me why. We got heating in the back window. Talking about details, that is awesome. Crown license plate, we got landslides in the back. And we got a very well detailed interior as well. Let's go. Very nice seats with two different colors. Nice steering wheel with some colors. Let's do it like this. I don't see any details on the dashboard, but I know Xcartoys has cars with details on the dashboard. This one has not, but it is still very, very, very cool. Side mirrors, very important, very realistic. No opening parts on this one. And we have a metal base with some details. You want to see the interior a little bit better? Well, I can do this for you because I see two normal screws. And then we can have a look. Why not? Why not? Oh. There we go. We got a base. We got the wheel for in the back. And then we got the interior. Now we can have a better look at the interior. As you can see, very, very nice. The seats are doing it. But even the side panels has some color details. Yeah, very well done. And as we could see in the beginning, no color details here on the dashboard. But we do have color details on the dashboard. And here in the middle console, let's see, let's focus on that. Yeah, a little bit detailed. But I mean not where you can see the speed. There's no sticker with numbers, etc. But overall, very nice. How does that look from inside? Yeah, is it easy to put back together? Because you think, can I do this myself? Yes, you can. Front, back, metal base, bloop, front, back, so if you want to order something from Xcartoys and you think, I don't know, Chinese brand, is the quality good? Well, I tell you, quality is fantastic. There we go. Good rolling wheels as well. And yeah, the black one is pretty much the same, but in black. And also a very cool casting. Now I have it in black and in gray, and I love these two cars. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hype. Please, that is very important for me. I don't ask for any money. I only ask like the video, trick the algorithm, and bring Diecast on the #1 place on YouTube. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you soon with more Diecast. Bye.